everybody. This is not a video that you're probably used to seeing on my channel, because I've never had a point in doing it before. However, your boy loves technology, you know, and your boy would also love to be an early adopter if your boy had that kind of money. But this little rinky-dink phone I've been running this channel on for the last year is really starting to conk out on me. It's a Galaxy S8 that you're seeing me on. But after being bullied by my dearest friend, I have decided it is time to upgrade to the Galaxy S10. So I'm going to be unboxing this thing for you guys here. We're going to take a look at what we got inside. All right. This is probably the most unprofessional unboxing video. Got the Samsung thing in here. I imagine this is got the ejection pin in it. I actually can't get to it. I can't get it out. We'll worry about that later. I don't know why I can't get to it. But here we have the main attraction, the phone itself. Galaxy S10. I got this in Prism White because I think white technology looks really good. I have not bought a case for it yet. I probably should do that. In here we've also got pair of AKG earphones. The S8 came with these as well. I lost them at some point. I actually didn't think that I would get these with this because of something I'll get to soon. Those are actually these are pretty good quality headphones. I'm not gonna lie. If they're anything like the ones I remember having, they're pretty good. Charger cord. It's a Type-C again this time around. Type-C adapter cord, and the power block, power cell adapter. I don't really feel the need to take any of this out of this packaging yet because I'm not going to get to know my new phone until tomorrow. This is a USB adapter dongle, I guess you could call it. Plug a USB cord into it, and then you can plug it into the phone. I don't really know exactly what purpose that serves. However, I'm sure there's got to be some sort of reason. I never used the one on my S8. Never really felt the need to. Now, do you have anything else in the box? No. It's literally just this this thing that I can't seem to get out of the box. Like you can tell there's something in there. I'm not crazy. I'm not just looking at the inside of the box like, oh, I've got to peel that off. I can't get it. And I don't want to damage the box to try to do it. Like literally, like I quite literally can't get this out. Like I'm trying so hard. These giant sausage fingers I was cursed with at birth. You know what? We'll worry about that later. Here, this is why I didn't think I would be getting a pair of these, because this came free with the Galaxy S10. I imagine it also comes free with the S10 Plus and the Note 10, and probably the Note 10 Plus. Probably the S10 5G. But from what I can tell, it comes with every edition of the Galaxy S10 except for the E. So if you're going to be getting an S10 and you want Samsung brand AirPods, just don't get an E unless you want to spend the $100 that it costs to get one. Now I'm going to cut through this tape here. You ever wanted to watch an unboxing where you can't see any of the stuff that's actually being unboxed? Ooh, it looks official. I imagine this little pill is where the buds are. Oh, that didn't come off the way it was supposed to. I imagine. You can just whatever. Shut up. Oh, and you charge the pill, and it, I imagine, charges these bad boys. Which I guess that's just how true wireless headphones work in the first place. I'm actually really excited about these because they're kind of weightier than an AirPod, at least from what I can tell. So I don't imagine I'll have too much trouble keeping them in my ears. However, I've got stupid ears that are shaped weird and get infected easily. So we'll just see what happens. In here, charger cord, and a couple of like replacement ear cushions. I actually thought I'd have to use the same one for my phone, so I appreciate that, Samsung. I never really end up having to swap out. Typically, whatever is standard issue works for me. So I don't imagine I'll be opening this box again anytime soon. Unbox the unbox. By the way, this is Queen. I was sure you were curious as to who that was supposed to be. So yeah, that is that for the Galaxy Buds. And unless I can, let's turn this thing on. Why not? The button is not where it is on an S8. S8, the button is here, so I was pressing this and nothing was happening for whatever reason. Ooh, you can see how I set this camera up. Whoops. Yeah, Verizon. What a shame. I'll probably switch to T-Mobile at some point soon. I wanted to get the phone before I switched though, because it just seemed like it would be less complicated starting Android.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Hey Bixby, I hate you. But I think that's enough, because I don't know if I'm gonna have to start putting in personal information, and I certainly don't want you guys to have that. So hope you enjoyed this terrible, terrible unboxing, and I'll see you in the future.